Welcome back, folks, to the DUI channel. We are in Gloversville, New York, where on February 3rd, 2020 at 8:46 p.m., Gloversville Police noticed a driver taking a wide turn on West Fulton Street. The vehicle continued a couple of feet before entering the correct lane. At this time, the officer activated his emergency lights and conducted a stop on the vehicle on Orchard Street next to Jan's Deli and Convenience as his investigation begins.
Yeah, when you made that turn, what'd you do? You turned off of Grove?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I went over
and then,
kind of far, but...
Yeah, you went over the center line into the other lane, and you drove in that lane for quite a little bit, and then you came back into the eastbound lane.
I just know I took off to the left and...
Okay.
You know, to the right, over far to the left. And
okay. Do you have your license, or you gave me your license, do you have registration?
Well, I was looking for it.
Okay. Well, stay in your car.
Oh, it's fine.
Okay.
I was just looking.
Where do you live?
Right here.
Yes.
Yeah, it's on my license.
Okay. How much have you had to drink today?
Like 4 beers.
That's
5
it?
beers. Yeah.
Okay. Can you do me a favor? Just take your keys out and hand it to me? Thank you, buddy. I appreciate it. Why do you got a Florida registration?
That's where I'm in between.
You're in between
Florida and here, yeah.
Okay. You live out in Florida sometimes, or?
No, my dad lives there. He's a car dealer. I go back down, help him. I come back up.
Oh, so you do car dealing down there?
Yeah, both back and forth.
Okay. I'm gonna have you step out, okay? Just step back here to the back of your truck. What were the beers that you had?
Bud Lights.
Bud Lights?
Yeah.
Okay, and you just had 4? Were they little ones,
4.
tall boys?
Little, you know, 12 ounce.
Regular?
4.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, do me a favor, put your hands up here.
Yep.
I'm just going to pat you down for weapons. You don't have any knives or anything, right?
Nope.
Okay. 415, Kim.
I already called it.
Feel sobriety?
Yep.
Okay.
Central status bus.
415 County, get this right.
Now they probably don't think you're on field sobriety.
Alright, turn around for me, okay? You want to hit my front lights in my spot? Alright, listen, I'm going to run these, okay? One of the, 2 of these tests is going to be a walk and turn and a one-legged stand, okay? I know we're on, like a slight, yeah. Would you like to move over to an even ground in the parking lot over here or over here?
It's not even. Left, right.
Well, I mean, they're not a decline.
Identical.
So why don't we step over here where it's a little flat, okay?
That's fine.
All right.
Yep.
Here, what we could do, actually, just leave your hat right here because you won't need your hat. All right, just come over here to this parking lot for me.
Ideally, it's a sidewalk up there. It's flat.
Well, parking lot's good. All right, buddy. Right here is good. You want to do it on the sidewalk there? Okay. All right, so what I want you to do, face me, okay? Put your feet together, hands down by your side. Okay, you're going to stay just like that, okay? Do you have anything wrong with your eyes? You wear contacts, glasses, glass eye, anything like that? No? Okay. All right, can you see the tip of my pen right here?
Yeah.
Okay, you're going to follow that with your eyes and your eyes only. Do not move your head. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Keep following it. Yeah, keep following it. I know it goes way off.
I just don't want to move my head, so.
I know, but just follow it as far as you can, okay?
I know.
And then if it's when you can't follow anymore, just keep your eyes over there, okay? All right, ready?
EMS dispatch, get back, target stash, Gloversville Fire, EMS call, 86 Broad, downstairs back apartment, for a 25-year-old female, severe stomach pain, being for Gavac, Gloversville Fire, EMS call, 86 Broad Street, downstairs back apartment, for a 25-year-old
And that's going to go up and down, okay? Same thing, with your eyes only. All right. Do you have anything wrong with your back or legs that would disable you from walking?
Well, I got a bad ankle. But
a bad ankle?
That's
okay. All right. But you think you can walk in a straight line? Okay. What I want you to do, okay? Imagine there's an imaginary line in front of you, okay? I want you to put your left foot in front of your right foot, touching heel to toe, keeping your hands down by your side, and you're going to stand here just like that, okay? Go ahead and do that. And just stand there. Touching heel to toe, just like this. Yep. Now you're going to stay in that position until I tell you to move, okay? When I tell you to begin, okay, you're going to walk on that imaginary line, touching heel to toe on every step, keeping your hands down by your side. You're going to count out loud, okay? 1, 2, 3. I took 3. You're going to take 9, okay? When you get to your 9th step, you're going to leave your lead foot planted. Take a series of small steps around like that and walk 9 steps, touching heel to toe. Back on that imaginary line, counting your steps out loud, okay? Again, I took 3. You're going to take 9. During the test, look down at your feet the whole time. Okay, go back to the position I told you. You're going to look down at your feet the whole time and do not stop until the test is complete, okay? Do you understand those instructions?
Yeah.
You may begin. Take your hands out of your pockets. There you go. All right. Again, do you have anything wrong with your back or legs that would disable you from standing on one leg for a short period of time?
No, just my ankle.
Okay. Which ankle is it? Your left?
My left ankle.
Okay. So would you be able to stand on your right and lift your left leg? Would
Probably
that be
not, because my bones and probably not. I mean, I can try it. I tell you.
Well, it's up to you. Do you want to give it a try? I don't want to medically, disable you.
I don't want. I mean,
You don't want to do it?
I can do it.
Okay. Do you want to do it?
I can.
Okay.
You want me to.
We want to give it a try?
I can do it.
All right. So what I want you to do is put your feet together, hands down by your side, okay? Out of your pockets.
Yeah.
Out of your pockets. There you go. Down by your side. Okay, you're going to stay just like that until I instructed you otherwise. Do you understand? Okay. When I tell you to begin, you're going to lift either foot. It does not matter. Approximately 6 inches off the ground. You're going to point your toe forward. You're going to look down at your toe. You're going to count out loud. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000. All the way to 30 or until I tell you to stop. Okay? You understand that?
1 1,000 all the way to 30.
Yep. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000. All the way to 30 or until I instruct you to stop. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
All right. You may begin.
1 1,000, 2. I'm not good on that.
Okay. You can keep going if you want to try.
I'd take a breathalyzer, do whatever you want to do. Well,
Okay. Do you don't want to try that?
I don't want to. I'd
Okay.
rather just
All right.
take a breathalyzer.
All right. Well, we have one right here. We have.
That's fine.
This is a pre-screen breath test.
That's
Okay.
fine. That's fine.
It's a nice Ford you got there. It's clean.
Yeah,
Was it always in Florida?
Yeah.
Oh, so it didn't see salt. Now it's getting exposed to salt.
Yeah, I've only been here 2 months.
All right. Take a deep breath and blow real hard. Oh, sorry. I gotta wait for this. There we go. Blow hard. Keep blowing. 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 Nope. Look at you're not blowing hard enough. You gotta blow long, hard, and steady. Okay, but not too hard. So keep blowing. 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 There you go. Oh, hold on.
Right behind you.
Oh.
The suspect submitted a preliminary breath test that yielded 0.14% BAC.
All right. It's Todd, right?
Yeah.
Turn around for me, okay? Put your hands together, okay? Todd, right now you're being placed under arrest for suspicion of driving under the influence, okay? All right, buddy. Come on over here. Huh? Yeah. Yep. 84 West?
85.
85. No.
Yeah,
Do you have any priors?
No.
You don't have any priors? This is your first?
Long time ago.
All right, have a seat in there. Next available.
These things are rough,
There you go,
bro.
buddy. Now all you gotta do is...
Yeah, I'll get you to the station as fast as I can, okay? Alright, I'm going to read you some Miranda warnings, okay? You're under arrest for driving while intoxicated. A refusal to submit to a chemical test or any portion thereof will result in a subsequent revocation of your license or operating privilege. Whether or not you are found guilty of the charge for which you are arrested, your refusal to submit to a chemical test or any portion thereof can be introduced in evidence against you at any trial, proceeding, or hearing resulting from this arrest. Will you submit to a chemical test to determine the alcohol, drug content of your blood?
That's fine.
Okay, it's just another breathalyzer at back at the
know,
station.
I know.
Okay. Alright, here's your Miranda warnings. Alright, you have the right to remain silent and refuse to answer any questions. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. As we discuss this matter, you have the right to stop answering my questions at any time you desire. You have a right to a lawyer before speaking to me, to remain silent until you can talk to a lawyer, and to have that lawyer present with you when you are being questioned. If you desire a lawyer but cannot afford one will be provided to you before questioning without cost to you. Do you understand these rights I've explained to you?
Can you call my girlfriend, tell her to come get my truck?
Huh?
Can you call my old lady, tell her to come get my truck?
Well, we can call her back at the station, but we already have there's already a tow en route.
Oh.
Okay, now that I've advised you of your rights, are you willing to answer my questions?
That's fine.
Okay, buddy. I appreciate your cooperation. I'll get you out of here as fast and quick as I can, okay?
What are they blowing?
Well, the roadside, the PBT, the pre-screen breath test, that's not admissible in court, okay?
I'm
That
saying,
just tells us
I've only
positive or
had-
negative for alcohol.
Yeah.
What I arrested you for is basically my field sobriety test, okay?
Oh, because I didn't want to.
Yeah, you failed my test, okay? All right. Is your foot tucked away?
Yep.
All right.
Alright, Bacon's on his way over. Donnie's on his way back to run your beat.
Following the arrest, the suspect Todd was taken to the Gloversville Police Station for further processing, where he once again submitted a breath test that yielded 0.14% breath alcohol content. In court, the defendant pled guilty to driving while ability impaired, or DWAI. In New York State, a DWAI offense is considered a traffic violation. He was ordered to pay a $400 fine and a $255 surcharge, totaling $655. He was subsequently sentenced to 0 days in jail, along with a license suspension of 90 days and a conditional license for 1 year. The suspect was further ordered to participate in an impaired driving program and attend a victim impact panel.